Hi there, students. Mood. Okay, mood is a noun. It's a countable noun normally. Moody, the adjective. Okay, your mood is the way you feel at a particular time. So he's in a foul mood. She's in a good mood. Yeah, he's in a very amiable mood. The mood of the crowd changed very radically. Okay, so yeah, in a cheerful mood. He's been in a bad mood ever since he lost all that money. Okay, yeah, he was really glad to see me. It was clear that he was in a good mood. Okay, so the mood is the way that you feel, your frame of mind, your temper, your humor, your disposition. I'm not in the mood to go out this evening. Yeah, the prevailing attitude, the mood of the voters was very negative. Yeah, I need something to put me in a good mood. In art, you can use this word mood. The mood of an artwork is the way it makes you feel or the emotional things within it. Yeah, so a good piece of art stimulates emotions, and clearly that is mood. You can also use mood in grammar. You've got the indicative mood, the imperative mood, the subjunctive mood. Okay, and these are specific verb forms to show if the person who is speaking is expressing something that's fact, an order, a hope, how real something is, if it's real or unreal. Yeah, you can have realist moods which express what is real or true, and then irrealist moods. Yeah, the subjunctive, expressing what is unreal, hypothetical, or something that's just not true. Okay, yeah, the imperative mood, it expresses something that is an order that must be obeyed. But okay, that is very, very technical grammar. I hope everybody's in a festive mood for Christmas. Yeah, I hope they're ready to celebrate. They are happy. They are in good humor. They're not sulking. So, mood, the state of mind, the disposition, the frame of mind. Okay, yeah, you can be in a good mood, in a bad mood, in an aggressive mood, in a melancholy mood, in a reflective mood. Yeah, maybe in a jealous mood. Yeah, so there are many, many things, different moods. And then, yeah, you could set the mood, the atmosphere with some music, yeah? Some happy music to put us in a good mood, in a good frame of mind, yeah? So, mood, how formal is this? This is a neutral word, mood, 5. You can use it absolutely anywhere, yeah? Informally, formally, as ever you want. Okay, so the mood, the state of mind, the origin, well, there's an Old English word, mod, meaning heart, mind, spirit, which actually comes from modaz in Proto-Germanic, your sense, your courage, your zeal, yeah, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, mo or me, meaning your will, your temper. Notice the grammatical use of the word mood, yeah, as in subjunctive mood, comes from the Latin word modus, meaning a form. Okay, in English, most grammatical, nearly always the mood of verbs is indicative, but there are other ones as well. Okay, so mood, the mood, the way you feel. Yeah, if somebody's in a mood, they're angry and impatient. The mood of a group of people. Yeah, yes, the politician misread the mood of the voters. or the mood of a place is the general impression you get. Yeah. Each different room in the hotel had a different mood. Okay, so anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mood.